In the last video, we have seen how to add books into references as per the latest MLA 9th edition. In this video, we'll see how to add journal papers into the MLA 9th edition references. As usual, I am going to give only the important things. So, in the name related to thing, whether it is books or journal paper, the same thing goes. There is no change. Second name should be the first and the first name should be the second. And in the books, we used to have what you call, if it is a two author, we used to have a 2 comma, but one author only full stop. That's the same thing. Look at the change here. Normally in the books, the title is italicized, but here title is not italicized. It is in a normal style with the double quotes. This is very important. So in the book title, you don't use any quotation. Instead, you use italics. But here, you use double quote. In the books, you use the publisher without any italics. But here, the journal title, the journal name should be in italicized. Then after the journal name, there should be a comma. And volume should be there. In the volume, V is not capital, it should be small, VOL, then full stop, volume number, comma. The volume and the number is issue. Then number 2. This is the volume, this is the issue number. Then year, comma, then page number. In the books, we don't get page number, but in the journal article, definitely it will be page number 449, dash 66. That means 149 to 166. The major thing you have to note, volume number, it's not, a lot of people use V capital, that's wrong, N capital, that's wrong. And instead of comma, they use full stop. That is also, you have to be careful. You don't use all these things clearly. Okay? And kindly note the changes. And with the issue number, only there is no volume number, only issue number is there. That time only volume is dropped. Only issue number, only NO, and number is alone. Rest of the thing follows the same. Certain journal, they publish in a 4 season. That is autumn, spring, winter, in that way. In those journal, you have to add as per the, even though the issue 3 is there, but whether it is spring, autumn, whatever the thing, it should be, you should add that spring, autumn, winter, or whatever the thing is there clearly, with in case the journal comes with a season. And next important thing is when you go for database, if you download a paper, not from a journal page, but you download from a database like Project Muse or JSTOR, that time all the citation style goes, reference goes the same thing, there is no change. Only at the end, you have to add the database name. It's here, it is a Project Muse, that should be italicized. Then you should add the DOI number. That's what DOI number should be added. If it is for what you call any database. And permanent link, sometimes there is no DOI number, permanent link is there, for example, JSTOR and all. You can give that similar kind of Project Muse. Here you add JSTOR, then you are giving the permanent link. That is, permanent link means that URL you have to give. Rest of the thing is the same. And it's an online journal. You have downloaded from the particular online journal website directly. That time, all the basic thing will go as usual, citation style. At the end, simply you add original URL. When you open that particular journal, a paper, what URL you get, that URL should be added at the end with the www thing. And if you have downloaded online article in a downloaded thing from a database or other thing, that time use same thing, JSTOR or a Project Muse. At the end, simply add PDF download. You have downloaded, then you have read and you have added. That time the only thing you have to add, PDF download. These are the 5 changes. One is, be clear, number 1, here the changes are within double quote, not italicized, but only the journal name is italicized. Volume and number are there, with both are in small letter, after that full stop. Then the page number, it is there, but normally in the books we don't have. And if it is only number, it is the thing, and you can just, in case you have a doubt, you just rewind this video and you will be able to see this. And only these are there are many, but those things are not important for us. So these are the major thing you have to be clear about it. I hope this will be really useful, and if you find it useful, please give a thumbs up, and I'll next video, I'll talk about how to use YouTube video into the what you call references. Thank you. Bye bye.